our next element are splashes. These ones are a little tricky. So they're just glorified elongated dots. You do what you did with the dots, except you're going to drag down a little. You squeeze just like how you would squeeze for the dots, but you want to drag it slowly down and then let go. I know I make it look a lot easier. It's tempting to do this, which is okay. For your first draft, that's completely okay. Here's a place to experiment, to even muck it all up, which is completely fine because we're going to have a lot of fun doing all of this. You just practice squeezing. If you need any more help, you can just go back to your dots and then just do the squeeze and then practice dragging down. The thing is, you want to make it taper off like this. You squeeze, and then as you go down, you want to let go of it a little more and more and more and more until there's almost like no henna coming out. So it looks like you squeeze and then you even just let it go. You can practice pulling the dot as you go on. But what you want to do is before you let go, you want to actually touch it to the page. So you squeeze. And before you do this, you actually squeeze and then you drag and then you touch it to the page and then you end it off. You squeeze, bring it all the way down and then you touch it to the page. And then you almost like you want to end that henna flow off. So squeeze, drag down, and then I'm going to do 3 of the same splashes and then we'll do the 3 together. Great.